Hello everyone, today we are going to learn Novena gel reaction. In this reaction, there are two kind of reactants present. First is aldehyde or ketone like aldehyde or ketone, and second kind of reactant is active methylene compound. Active methylene compound. Now active methylene compound is like when CH2 group is attached to two electron withdrawing groups. Two electron withdrawing group like ester or acid or nitro group or a nitrile group. So that molecule can be known as active methylene compound. So in this case, since the CH2 is attached to two electron withdrawing group, so this CH2 is active methylene group. So if I want to write an example, this CH2 will attach to two ester group. So this can be the example of active methylene compound. So these two are the reactant in the Novena gel reaction. Now third is, this reaction is basically a amine catalyzed reaction. Amine catalyzed reaction. So in this case, amines such as secondary amine or piperidine can be used. So all these three components react together to form highly substituted olefin. Highly substituted olefin as a major product. Okay. So in order to understand this Novena gel reaction, let us take one example. Let's say we have a benzaldehyde. Let's say we have a benzaldehyde and we have this active methylene group. And the must condition in this case is, in aldehyde they should not have a alpha hydrogen. In case of aldehyde, there should not have a alpha hydrogen. Now we are taking the example benzaldehyde. In presence of this active methylene compound, our base is given piperidine. So what would be the product and how the mechanism goes, we will see. And the mechanism goes into the two steps. So first step is formation of iminium ion, like we did in a Mannich reaction. So first is formation of iminium ion. So this is our benzaldehyde. When it react with our piperidine, so the nitrogen carrying lone pair, that lone pair will attack at this carbonyl carbon, and due to the resonance, oxygen will carry now negative charge. So this is basically a nucleophilic addition. Now since the nitrogen has used its own electron, so nitrogen will carry positive charge, so this negative charge will be taken by this negative charge will take this hydrogen, and this bond of electron of this bond will neutralize this positive charge. So this become OH, and there we have nitrogen regaining its lone pair. Now in presence of H plus, this OH will get protonated. OH2 plus. I am not writing this hydrogen. Now since we have converted this OH into water molecule as a leaving group, so in order to eliminate this water molecule, the lone pair of nitrogen will come into the resonance as a driving force, and it will eliminate water molecule. So removal of water molecule. So we are going to get this intermediate, which is our iminium salt, iminium ion. This is our iminium ion. See, this is our iminium ion, this much part. Now in the iminium ion, we all know that this center is the electrophilic center, because when we write a resonance structure of it, this can go like this. So when it come back like this, so the positive charge of nitrogen gets eliminated. Now since it fully comes towards the nitrogen, so this carbon will carry positive charge, and therefore this center is electrophilic center. So now we have generated electrophilic center. Now second step is, since we have a active methylene compound, so this active methylene compound will undergo enolization. Now when it undergo enolization, it has become reactive center as a nucleophile. So this nucleophile will attack at this center, which is acting as a electrophile. So these two will react together. So this will come inside, this bond will attack at this carbon, and positive charge of nitrogen will gets eliminated, or basically gets neutralized. So now we are going to get see, there will be a bond formation between this carbon and this carbon. So like this. Now next is, now since we have a piperidine as a base in the system, so still there is a hydrogen which is acidic hydrogen. So this base will abstract this hydrogen, and this bond will undergo the resonance with this carbonyl group. Now when it comes back, because of the resonance, this our piperidine base will gets eliminated. So now we have generated this olefin. Okay, we have generated this olefin, and this is our major product. This is our major product. Now we can see that this much part, this much part is of our active methylene compound, and this much part is of our aldehyde compound, and both are getting connected with this olefin or with this double bond at the active methylene carbon. So both are getting connected with the help of piperidine or amine catalyzed base to give us this as a major product. So this is all about the Novena gel reaction. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.